Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to record a call in Nokia Keypad phones. So it is really simple. First of all, you have to dial the number that you want to make a call to. So for example, I will dial this number. Okay, and then press the call button. So I will start call. Okay, so you can see over here it is start calling that number, and then you will see this option button over here. You see these options. Okay, so you press this left side button on the top side of this left button. So once you press it, it will open the menu. So you can see over here the menu is now open. Now what you have to do, you have to scroll down. Okay, so you just scroll down and you will see the last option over here. It says start recording. Okay, so just press this middle button. Okay, and then it start recording the call. Okay, and if you want to know if this call is recording or not, you will see this red color circle, very small circle, red color. So that means the call is being recorded now. Okay, and if you want to stop the recording, simply just go to this options again. Okay, scroll down and then you will see the option of stop recording. Okay, and then press this middle button to choose it. So now this call is saved to memory card. It will give you the notification, and you will also see there is no more red color circle over here. So it means the call is no more recorded. So once you finish with your call and now you want to access where your recorded call is, so simply go to the menu and then you have to go to the files. Okay, so I will show you. So this is the files icon. So you can see over here, go into your files. Okay, and then go to the memory card. Okay, so memory card, and then you scroll down and then you see the recordings folder over here. So you can open it. So you can see this call is the call that I just recorded. It is saved here. Okay, so you can open it and then open it again to play it. So you can see over here the call is recorded. Whatever I speak, it also recorded, and then the call is also recording. Okay, so you can see over here. So now I will go back. Okay, and now if you want, you can change this call name. You can share it. Okay, so you just press this option. So you can use it as a tone. You can share it, you can delete, you can copy, you can move it, you can rename it, and you can also know the details. Okay, so just press it. It will show you all the details of this call. Okay, the format, when it is created, the date, the time, everything, the size, everything it is showing you over here. And then you can add to the folder. So all these options you can use. So this is how you can record a call in your Nokia Keypad phones. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.